Hello everyone, welcome to Bubba Shuck's Sacred Space. Today I'm going to try to offer you an alternative way to prolong or extend the life of your vegetable garden. I have a few different things that I do, but today I'm just going to focus on this mini greenhouse. Gardening is so gratifying, to experience the growth of a new plant through your diligence and hard work. It's quite peaceful. So as I said, I don't know how well you can see. I've got a lot going on in this particular spot. A lot of plant propagation. I made this mini greenhouse relatively cheap. See, I got a couple of 1x2s, 2x2s, a layer of 6 mil plastic, waterproofing tape. We're gonna see how well it does, as fall, kind of exhausts itself. Hey, look at that, I've got some tomatoes flowering over there. Those are all propagated. See, I've got some gutters here, planted some lettuce, got some cilantro there, broccoli, red chard. My ferns had died, so I'm trying to, bring that kind of back. Got some scallions. But I guess I should let you see more or less what this setup kind of looks like. It's not too big. I'd say maybe 3.5 feet by maybe 8 feet. Got an area over here. It's for like a little mini ventilation. So I'm trying to make this short and sweet before I do my next video. But some of us tend to fall in love with our gardens, and if you live a boring life like me and you have the time, you can kind of, in your own kind of a creative way, build your own setup, and do your best to bring life to something that you've already created. So I'll say, if you can dig it, you can grow it. And if you can roll it, some might smoke it. Bubba Chuck.